So you know that this is a Microsoft Excel page sheet, and suppose if you want to add a column, for example A B C D E F G H. Okay, I'm going to add this column with H. So if you want to hide a particular column, then there is a shortcut key. That is the topic we are discussing in this video. Okay, I'm going to show how to hide this column. So I go to select yeah, then and this is my computer keyboard. You can see this is the control key, and this is 0 key. So I press this control key and the 0 key, these two keys at the same time, and you can see that the now you cannot see the column H here. That is this is the method of hiding the columns. Okay, I'll show you once again. If I want to hide this L, once again I'm going to the same procedure. This is the control key and this is the 0 key. So I press the control key and the 0 key, these two keys at the same time, and you can see it disappeared from here. So you must press two keys, that is the press the control key and the 0 key at the same time for hiding columns in this Excel. For more videos, subscribe Engineering Cell Online. Thank you.